sparks. Every adventure begins with a spark. A gentle glow rising where night meets dawn. Together, these sparks form a circle of wonder, ancient, timeless, waiting to be seen. And so, the journey begins with the first spark of imagination. These are the Wonder Sparks adventures, where imagination, courage, and friendship unlock the magic within. Previously on Wonder Sparks, Bandok and Desire faced the Temple of Unity, where courage met brilliance and lit the way. Their sparks joined as one, and the Guardians were finally free. Now, a new rhythm begins, with Amara, Ginka, and Megumi leading the way. The Wonder Map opens the path to the Valley of Mystic Petals, where grace and imagination must move as one.
Alright guys, it's your turn. Trust your courage and shine.
The map showed 3 of you in the brightest light.
And we've got Megumi. Can't wait. We'll do our best.
Ready, Megumi? Amara and I will let you lead.
Follow the petals to where rhythm breathes.
Looks like it's time.
Come on, Megumi. We follow the petals.
The portal has started. Everyone, hold on tight.
Ready, Megumi? Here we go.
Follow the petals. They will show you the way.
Thank you. We will.
It's like the whole valley is dancing.
The breeze and petals have a rhythm.
Oh, looks like someone's found her beat.
Do you hear that? The petals seem to be humming.
I don't hear it, but the map's glowing again.
It's coming from up there.
The rhythm, it's changing. It's pointing this way.
Then we follow the rhythm. We follow its path. A spiral. It's beautiful. It feels like it's breathing.
Ginka, do you think it's trying to tell us something?
When rhythm, grace, and creativity move as one, new doors open to hearts that truly listen. Every maze begins with trust. Find its pattern.
Ginka, everything is glowing, like it's following a pattern.
Do you hear it? That sound. I think it's been listening and waiting for us.
The path, it's starting to change.
Stay ready, Amara. I believe the rhythm is trying to show us the way.
Do you think the maze is reacting to us?
Maybe it's hoping we react to its patterns.
Ah, look at Megumi. She is already in the patterns. Ginka, my balance. I can't control it.
Don't worry, Amara. I'll help. Oh no. The chamber knows we've lost a bit of balance. It's unstable.
The maze listens, but it also tests. When rhythm breaks, only harmony can mend the way. Trust the petals. Let grace calm the storm.
Race. That's my spark. I know what to do. Bring calm to the rhythm with my spark.
You stepped forward when it mattered, Ginka.
Maybe, but I wasn't alone. Your calm helped me focus. And you too, Megumi, our little rhythm finder.
You have found the first rhythm. Well done. Now follow the glow to where new sounds wait. The maze is listening, and your next song is ready to begin.
The map, it has found the next location in the maze.
I was never in doubt. Thank you.
You have found the discordant chimes. They are restless and have lost their flow. Find the rhythm in their chaos, and harmony will show the way.
The sound is getting louder the further we go.
The sound is loud. because I believe it's reacting to us.
Ginka, it's happening again. Everything is shaking.
It's reacting to us. Don't worry, Amara. Stay calm.
In every storm, a rhythm hides. Find a tune that speaks to peace.
The tune. I have an idea, Ginka.
Show me, and we will find the tune together.
The fork can help balance the tune, but it would need to be done in silence.
Okay, I understand. Hold it in place, and I will align them. That's it, Amara. Hold the fork steady. Just need to realign its balance. Green, gold, blue, violet, red.
It worked! It worked! Oh my gosh, Ginka, look! Look at the new token.
I see it. Just hold steady. Almost there.
Flow awakens where kindness leads. Move with calm, not haste. The next path awaits gentle steps. 3 lights await your rhythm. Only when focus, heart and guide unite will the heart of harmony awaken. Remember, the 3 lights await focus, heart, and the one who guides the way.
It's working, but only 2 lights answered.
The third one, something's missing. The flow isn't complete.
Wait. Focus, heart, and the one who guides. Megumi.
Yes, it's you, Megumi. You've always been my best friend and my guide.
3 tokens now shine as one. Flow, rhythm, and pulse in harmony done. The labyrinth rests. It's sung complete until new paths rise beneath your feet. Well done, young sparks. Your light grows stronger, but beware, a shadow stirs, sensing the rise of those who protect the harmony.
Annually's light faded, and harmony returned. Yet far away, a presence stirred, watching, waiting, listening to the rise of the sparks.
Kindness keeps every rhythm shining bright.
Let's share that rhythm everywhere we go.
Be kind, like, subscribe, and share the spark.